Yanmar offers a range of 3 wheeled excavators, B75W, B95W and B110W, between 7.2 and 12.5 ton. All of them are very versatile and can be adapted to your needs. With the high performance of the machine, they offer you a big efficiency for your working site. We have integrated some new features and options to increase the versatility of machines and even improve the ease of use. Inside the cabin we have implemented some new joysticks that allow the driver to switch driving direction by a switch directly on the joystick. Also, we improved the display menu for the choice of some attachments. We have also added a right side camera that increases safety around the machine and gives you a clear view around. It's always a pleasure meeting our customer at our very nice booth here at Bauma. Please come and visit us.